Ever tried losing weight but felt like breakfast is out to sabotage you? Yeah, me too. I've got toast crumbs in places I didn't even know existed. Well, today we're giving your mornings a glow up with a quick, easy, and actually tasty solution. Dr. Oetker's Overnight Oats recipe for weight loss. Stick around because by the end you'll know exactly why your breakfast game just leveled up. So first, let's break it down. You'll need 100 grams of oats, classic, the base of all good breakfast powers, 150 milliliters of full cream milk for that creamy vibe, and 3 tablespoons of Dr. Oetker's crunchy peanut butter. That's the stuff that makes you want to lick the spoon. Then add 2 tablespoons of mixed fruit jam and some fresh fruits. A slice of apple, a slice of kiwi, and a slice of orange. Boom, that's it. Simple, clean, and actually looks Instagram worthy in a jar. Now here's where the magic happens. Grab a bowl, toss in the oats, milk, and peanut butter and give it a good stir. Don't be shy, mix like your future self depends on it, then refrigerate overnight, or if you're impatient like me, at least 4 hours. The next morning, layer your oat mixture in a glass jar, add a layer of that fruity jam and top it with your fresh slices. And just like that, you've got breakfast ready to crush your day and your cravings. Not only does this taste better than soggy cereal, it's packed with protein, fiber, and flavors that actually make your taste buds happy. And here's the kicker, it keeps you full without feeling like you swallowed a pillow. I've had mornings where I thought I was gonna raid the fridge at 10 a.m. Nope, oats held me like a gentle, delicious bodyguard, and yes, it even makes you feel fancy eating out of a jar while scrolling TikTok. So if you want a breakfast that actually helps you with weight management, tastes amazing, and takes like 10 minutes to prep, Dr. Oetker's Overnight Oats is your new best friend. Give it a try tomorrow morning and thank me later. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.